Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the product. Sleep Cycle, available at sleepcycle.com, is a sleep tracking application designed to monitor and analyze your sleep patterns. It utilizes the microphone on your smartphone or other compatible device to identify different sleep stages, light, deep, and REM, through subtle sounds and movements. This information is then used to generate detailed reports and provide insights into your sleep quality. The app also boasts an intelligent alarm feature which aims to wake you during your lightest sleep phase within a predefined window, theoretically leaving you feeling more refreshed and less groggy than a traditional alarm. Setting it up is straightforward. You simply place your device near your bed and enable the tracking function. While the app offers a range of data points like sleep duration, sleep quality score, and sleep trends over time, it's important to note that this is not a medical device, and the data should not be used to diagnose or treat any sleep disorders. For those seeking a deeper understanding of their sleep, Sleep Cycle provides premium features, including detailed sleep notes, snoring detection, and heart rate monitoring, depending on device compatibility. These additional features offer a more comprehensive picture of your sleep habits and potential contributing factors to sleep disturbances. Users can explore trends and identify correlations between their sleep and lifestyle factors like caffeine intake, exercise, or stress levels. While the app's accuracy has been debated, it can be a useful tool for gaining a general awareness of your sleep patterns and identifying potential areas for improvement. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for any sleep-related concerns or before making any decisions based on the data provided by Sleep Cycle. You might find it a helpful addition to a healthier sleep routine.